When I moved over here to Vancouver, I definitely weighed up the options as to go into performing.
I thought the cartoon characters were real because there was like no way that was like voice acted, and I want to be able to bring that much life to a character again.
Like, I've worked in animation for 7 years because I just love the whole thing.
I fought to get here, and I know that my dream isn't very far off.
Velvety vanilla ice cream, covered with the perfect balance of Magnum cracking chocolate.
There are a lot of very special places in British Columbia, and a lot of people who want you to find them.
The all-natural botanicals drenched in pure mountain water. The way it leaves every strand of your hair feeling revitalized. The scent, the lather, even the tiny bubbles of a Johnson's bath are helping to enhance the experience.